I want to go hit hard. So we could go and fight then. Thank you so much for watching. Listen, this is going to be a hell of a one, but stick to me. Stick to me real quick, as it's going to be tough. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Let's get to it. Jamaica Football Federation. Jamaica's Football fucking Federation. Now, I decided a while ago, after the Gold Cup, last Gold Cup, that I wasn't going to make any content or talk about JFF because I realized that there's nothing but corruption and it's just not good for me mental. Yeah, I thought, if I stay away from talking about JFF and them foolish, all I do is just watch the game, maybe see I one or two things about the games, and follow the football, male and female. My life could be much easier. I have enough trouble worrying about Manchester United and them struggles in the Premier League, right? So but this story that we're about to talk about, it kind of rubbed me the very, very wrong way. It kind of fucked me up completely. And so we're gonna start from the beginning. Female team, the women's team, the Jamaica's women's team qualified for the World Cup twice in a row. This time around, it made it to the second round of the World Cup. That in itself is a feat compared to the performance that Jamaica male team did in 1998, where they only could have most of 2-1 win over Japan. Everything else must get beat up. Jamaica's female team brought a different level of standards to Jamaica when they brought the female team to the second round of the World Cup. Adidas sponsor Jamaica national team, male, female, juniors team, solely because of the accomplishments that the female team has been working on since 2000 and whenever them qualified for the World Cup, last World Cup, 4 years ago. Remember me tell you that. No, they have a lot of other things going on with Adidas, I understand, but solely was the achievements of the Jamaica female football team. Spence, Bonnie, all of those superstars that are currently playing in the Premier League, starts playing in the NWSL. These are players. These are players that set the tone for the future young female footballers growing up. And I lift my hats off to them. But today I saw a message from Sham Spence on Instagram saying that I think majority or maybe all of the team won't be making themselves eligible for selection in this World Cup, in this Gold Cup qualifiers. Gold Cup qualifiers, Qualify for the Gold Cup, they won't be making themselves available for those Gold Cup qualifiers. Do you know why? Do you man know why? It is with great disappointment we share that the 2023 World Cup roster will not be participating in the upcoming October international window for the first ever Women's World Cup Gold Cup qualifiers. While this has been one of the hardest decisions we have had to make, we feel it is necessary to take such drastic stance to put an end to the constant mistreatment we receive from the Jamaica Football Federation. When I talk about the men team, I talk about the female team saying that this is what they are saying publicly to everybody so you guys can know. As always, it is an honor and a privilege to represent Jamaica. It is our job to perform to the best of our ability and to put all our efforts in representing our country, making our fans, loved ones, and home and diaspora proud. Due to the current circumstances the Jamaica Football Federation has put us in, we would not be able to do our jobs. Now, we know the difficulties they had coming into Sydney in the World Cup. What was Jamaica Football Federation doing during that time? These girls play 1 or 2 friendlies. 2 or 1, I don't remember how much, but 2 or 1 World Cup friendlies leading into the World Cup, brother. We have received information about our coaching staff, medical staff, and equipment staff in an untimely manner and through unprofessional communication. So them fire the coach, medical staff, and everybody else, and only tell them 1 or 2 days prior to them being called up. Ah, boy, man, tell you. We have gotten confirmation of our head coach 3 days prior to our report date through social media. So if it wasn't for the social media post, them would know so them coach, the new coach, them things should have been corresponding to the people from 2 weeks before. From the moment this have to fire the coach, you should have sent a mass text to the players saying we getting a new coach. We have yet to receive our full and correct payments for our historical performance at the World Cup and our numerous outstanding bonuses for qualifying in the summer 2022. Now this part how got me. This bumbucker part how got me. This part how you are yet to receive compensation for your historical performance at the World Cup and for you qualifying for the 2022. Why, JFF? Explain to me why. Explain to the mass why. Please tell me why you have not paid these young women their money. Why? You saw, I saw, we all saw how well they did. We all saw how brilliant they played to qualify for the quarterfinals to the round of 16. You all saw how close they came to making it to the next round. Why, JFF? Why is it that you have not paid these people yet? Is it because you pocket the money? Is it because you pocket the bumbo clock money, JFF? You and your friend them pocket the whole of the money? Because FIFA send it to you for you to disperse to the crowd. So why is it? Why is it that you not pay the people in the money? Because you pay them a fraction and then you take the other fraction and you pocket it. This is what Jamaica's football is all about. This is what Jamaica is all about. The corruption is reeking, fam. The fucking corruption is reeking. The fucking corruption is absolutely stink. It absolutely stink, and we need to change it. We need to change it. So you know what? Nifa, no, JFF, you need to go. Even the janitor at JFF, you need to go. Every single person responsible for the JFF in the JFF needs to go. Every person in the JFF needs to go. People, honestly, I don't know what we're going to do, but everyone needs to stand up and say, listen, you need to leave. You need to leave Jamaica Football Federation alone because you man are taking it up and you are eating it out and drying it dry fucking rat. People, remember drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new, very cheap, economical. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the fourth official.